Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Foton Tunland Ute, stock reference number 5366. The shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror, indicator type. Does have paint fade. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate has a couple of small dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with grey vinyl interior, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, and it looks like nothing else has survived off the vehicle. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus.